reflect the quadrilateral HLPQ, which is this shape obviously, across the red line of reflection. So this red line is on a diagonal, and we have to use that as our mirror line or line of reflection, and then we label the resultant image. So again, a couple of things to remember. When we do our reflections, we have to always refer back to the mirror line, and we're looking to judge or calculate the distance from each point to the mirror line, and then we repeat that distance on the other side of the mirror line. At all times, we are intending to, when we make the journey from one point to the mirror line, we have to intersect the mirror line at 90 degrees. Now, because this mirror line goes from diagonal to diagonal, to intersect it at 90 degrees, we go the other way at 90 degrees. See that there? It goes from corner to corner, and it always intersects the mirror line at 90 degrees. We're doing H, see, we're going at 90 degrees to the mirror line. So that's really important that that is remembered when you do it. So let's give it a go. Let's start with L, because L is an interesting one. L is right on the mirror line, so we're not going any distance from the mirror line. L is where it is, and it doesn't move. So any point right on the mirror line can't move. It stays where it is. So it's also the site of the image. So this point here, L, is also the point, put a different color, the point L dash, the image. So that's there. Okay, let's do another one. So let's do H. So we go corner to corner, remember, until we get to the mirror line. So let's count. It's 1.5. So we reverse that and go 1/2, 1. And so that is where H belongs. So let's put a little cross there and label it H dash. That's the image of H. This one here, Q, we go 1/2 till we get to the mirror line. So it's 1/2 across the mirror line. And so we know now that Q is here, and we label it Q dash. And the last one to move, it's odd because it's on the other side of the mirror line, but that's okay. If it starts on this side and we reflect it, it's got to end on the opposite side of the mirror line. So we just do the same process but the other way. So it's 1/2 to the mirror line, so it's 1/2 beyond the mirror line. And so that is where P dash ends up. Next step is to draw the shape. So let's draw the shape. It goes from H to L, from L to P, from P to Q, and from Q to H. And I know it looks a little bit confusing, but that is correct.